In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping methods. Start by heading to settings on the top left corner, then find shipping. As you can see, here's shipping and delivery. Right here, you will be able to create custom shipping rates, processing time, local delivery, for example. So you can click here and you can find the local delivery. Since it's Morocco for me, you can also local pickup. I don't offer local pickup. You can even have packages, add packages, enable third-party calculated rates at checkout, custom order fulfillment as well. So to basically set up a shipping method, just click X and click shipping method. Right here you can find under the shipping settings, as I already said. You can create a new profile, for example, add your product, click done. The shipping location, click manage, click done, and then let's add rates. Let's create shipping zones. So let's say Asia, and let's call it Asia, for example. Click done. As you can see, no rates customer, for example, in this zone won't be able to complete checkout, so that we know. As you can see, not covered by your shipping zones, 119 countries. Let's do rest of world. Let's do done. And let's edit this zone. You can create and choose specific countries to be kind of removed from the list. And yeah, after you're done, click on save and you're good to go.